Hey, what's up? This is John, and I'm going to be reviewing a kit that I picked up for the purposes of the review. We're all familiar with Walmart. Walmart's a American superstore that is in almost every state. I think it is in every state. I'm assuming that this is only for Valentine's Day that they're doing this, but they have a very, very nice box full of different items for only $9.98. So $10 gets you all you're about to see. Let's bring it down below and I'll show you each product. We'll try a few out and I'll give my final assessment and rating at the end. Let's bring it down. So in the kit you buy from Walmart for $9.99, you get a tube of Harry's face wash. You get a container of Cremo's beard and scruff cream. It is a cream. You get a tin of Honest Amish beard balm, like that. You get a bottle of Everyman Jack's beard oil. It's a good sized bottle too. Then you get a bottle of Wild Willie's Beard Soft. And you get a razor from Gillette with a skin guard. See that? So everything you see here, you can get at Walmart right now. They come in a kit. It's for $9.99. And I was super excited to pick this up. A lot of these products, all I really have is the Beard Soft and Balm from another brand. So I'll be interested to see how this one feels, smells, and etc.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me through a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet out, get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out, listen on repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave, cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change, everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, march until it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. Always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. Just like a soldier.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts.
Okay, so out of the items I use from the kit, I use the Beard Balm and I use the Beard Soft. The kit is definitely going to get some negatives because when I first opened it, that Everyman Jack's beard oil was all over the inside. Whoever put that together didn't check to see if that cap was on securely enough, and although it could have happened during shipping. But even still, they should have something in place so that doesn't happen. Another thing the kit suffers from is not having shaving cream. You can't a beard care box and gear it towards that without the shaving cream. They give you the shaver, they give you the face wash, they give you everything to condition your beard, but they don't give you shaving cream. So, knocking off points for that too. Real quick, the only shaving cream I use is the C.O. Bigelow shaving cream. It's the only one I used. I don't know if Bath and Body still sells this, or is it Body Works? I think it's Body Works sells this. I don't know if they still sell it. I know when I discovered it, I bought a lot of it. I have about 4 of these little tubes, and I have 2 or 3 of they come in a big tube, looks like a big tube of toothpaste. And they have an aerosol one. That's the only shaving cream I use. I love it. The way it makes my skin feel, it's great. So let's get to the items that were actually in the box. The Honest Amish Beard Balm has no scent. I think it's unscented. It's definitely, it has no scent to it. I don't even know what's in it. The back of it has no ingredients. So I would have to, Google that and see what is in there. But I put a little on just now and definitely works. There's no scent, but the beard is soft. The beard is shiny. The product works really well. The next item I used is Beard Soft, which I use every day anyway. But for the purposes of the review, I'm gonna go over this Beard Soft. It is one of the best products I've used on my beard. When I first started to really grow my beard and groom it and condition it, I picked up Beard Soft because my hair is very, very coarse. So since I've been using the Beard Soft, I use it every day. After my shower, I'll rub it in, rinse my face, and my hair is super, super soft. If you use it every day, the stuff works. You put it in, leave it 5 minutes, then rinse it all off, and that's it. You're good to go. If I'm going to give a rating to this Walmart kit, I'm probably going to give it a 3. A 3 because the oil was all over the place, over everything. I had to use a towel to dry up all the other products in there so I can film it. The absence of shaving cream. Having no shaving cream in a shaving kit, that's a huge no-no. Granted, the price point of this kit is only $10, which that's what it gets most of its points for. If I were to honestly go over the Beard Balm and the Beard Soft, it would have to be in a separate video because I have other beard balms that I can compare this to and break down which one's the best out of the ones that I own. And with the Beard Soft, I have to see if there's another product like this out there for me to give it a fair rating and a fair assessment. So my whole rating is going in a kit as a whole and not particularly to the items of said kit. Fine, I'll bump it up. 3.5. 3.5 just because it was only $10 and it had great products in it. This Beard Balm is really good. This Beard Soft is really good. And the extra razor, I'm saving that for much later because I don't use that razor. I didn't use that razor because I use a one-bladed safety razor to shave my head, as you saw previously. When my one-bladed razor gets dull, instead of me putting a new blade on it, I probably will bust out that Gillette and use that and see how that is. But then I'm going to save that for another video to review hand razors because I have Harry's handles, I have Dollar Shave Club handles and blades. I got Hydro 5 handles and blades, and now I got the Gillette. And I even have the one blade, the Norelco one blade, which is supposed to be to the skin. It doesn't get as close to the skin as you would think it would, as I feel it should, because the blade is so small. It definitely leaves it'll leave like this much behind, which then you would just go in with your razor and you're done quick, and you're done. For, I guess, the Valentine's Day Walmart gift set that they are putting out there, like I said, there's 2 for men and there's 2 for women. I think maybe there's 3 for women, I'm not sure. But when I went to buy it, a lot of them were gone. I was only able to grab one because the rest were just gone. So, if you like the content of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next review. Later.
Always getting closer.